Hey Trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Trackies, please remember to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel. Trackies, the real Dada in the women's 100 meters, five-time world champion, defending world champion as well. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce steps to the track in Madrid on the 22nd of July to run her first 100 meters of the season. Now, Trackies, a lot has been said about Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce this season. A lot have been saying, you know what, she's old and phased out. But Trackies, all I'm hearing is people wishing and hoping and praying that the GOAT, the greatest of all time over the 100 meters, will not show up in tip-top shape. But we have news for them, Trackies. Shelly is ready to show them exactly why she is queen. Now, Trackies, again, as I said, she lines up on the 22nd. The 22nd is on Saturday. And of course, this is in Madrid at the World Athletics Continental Tour Silver Meeting. Now, sound off in the comment section and let me know what are your thoughts as it relates to Shelly's first run. You know, is she going to come out in typical epic style and drop a 10-6 and silence, you know, the crowd, silence the rabble, silence all of the persons that are stepping to Jamaica, you know, in a recent times? Trackies, sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. As usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.